So if you'd like to add the lowercase and uppercase winter ID assessments to your trackers, if you start at your home page, you're going to click on trackers up here at the top. And then you want to select your ELA tracker. You have students, so this will not pop up on your screens. Up in the top over here, this orange tab says Add Assessment. Click on that. It's then going to pop up and give you choices to search the community, select from My Assessments, or create a new assessment. You want to search the community. You then have some options here. If you'd like to narrow your search down, maybe you're not exactly sure what you're looking for, you could choose the created by, and you can narrow it down by things that you've created, things that teachers you're following have created, teachers in our school, or teachers in our whole district. So if you click teachers in my school before you touch anything and type anything into the search bar, it's going to give you all the things that were created here in this building. So that's one way that you can find all of those assessments that Eileen created for you guys last year. The other choice is to then type in if you know what you're looking for. So this is winter lowercase, and then you click search. It's going to pop up right here. I want to click on add to tracker. It automatically selects the ELA tracker that I have with the matching standards. I just click add, and it's in your tracker. You can assess it right from here if you want. You're obviously going to have your students' names listed down here. If you want to add another one, so we just added the lowercase, and I can see that by clicking on here. That's a lowercase. So we added lowercase. If I want to add the uppercase right from this screen, I don't have to go all the way back to the beginning. I can just click Add Assessment, go back to that Search the Community, and this time I'm going to type in winter uppercase. It's right here for me. Click Add to Tracker, click Add here again, and then it pops up right here. If you do go to add a tracker that you've already added, it will tell you that it's already in there. So you will end up having it in there twice because it will give you that prompt beforehand. You can add any assessments that you'd like to add to your trackers, things that you create, things that people in your grade level create, and you can also search the broader Mastery Connect community.